Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon fat. First, select high-quality bacon, as this significantly impacts the flavor of your rendered fat. Next, cut the bacon into small, uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch squares, to ensure it renders evenly. Place these pieces in a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over low heat. This slow process is key to achieving clear, flavorful bacon fat without burning. As the bacon cooks, the fat will slowly melt and accumulate in the pan. Keep the heat low and stir occasionally to prevent the bacon from sticking and to ensure all pieces cook evenly. This gentle rendering allows the fat to separate cleanly. Avoid overcrowding your pan. If you have a lot of bacon, render it in 2 or 3 batches to maintain consistent heat and quality. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Quick recommendation: just like rendering bacon fat makes cooking easier, these amazing leak-proof meal prep containers will simplify your weekly food prep. They're perfect for storing your delicious creations. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your bacon is crispy and all the fat has rendered, carefully remove the bacon pieces from the pan. Then, strain the hot liquid fat through a fine mesh sieve or a few layers of cheesecloth into a heat-proof container. This removes any small impurities, ensuring a clean, pure fat. Allow the fat to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container and storing it in your refrigerator for future use. Rendered bacon fat is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It's perfect for frying eggs, sautéing greens, or adding depth to gravies and pan sauces. Just a spoonful can elevate the flavor of roasted potatoes or cornbread. Think of it as a flavorful alternative to butter or other cooking oils, bringing a unique, savory note to almost any dish you prepare. It truly is a kitchen staple.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.